Check out that 4x4. That is hot.
Okay, back her up.
Someday, Jennifer. Someday.
Oh, man. Does anybody know what that means? Yup. We have another one on the line. We're going to go pick her up today. As you saw in the previous parts of this video, I found this truck out in a place out in Warrenton, Virginia, and it's about a mile from my childhood house. So I mean, that's pretty cool in itself. And it was pure luck that the lady let me in to her farm. She said she only let me on her property because I grew up in the area. She said she's gotten tons of inquiries, so that was huge. Can't wait to get over there and show you this true barn find.
Flashback.
Rolling up on this farm, and we're gonna go check it out. See if we can find out if we can make a deal or not. Oh crap. I got another one. Number 7. This looks sweet. There she is. Let's check her out.
End of flashback.
It's funny, we just got to the spot where this truck is actually at. I think people are blowing barn finds out of proportion these days, but I gotta say, this is pretty much a true barn find. I would say maybe our 3rd or 4th barn find at a true farm, so it's gonna be pretty cool. I'm gonna pick her up. 1988 FJ62, we're gonna take her home. What do you think, bud?
A little bit of rust.
Yeah. Seen better days.
But it's a cruiser.
But it's a cruiser, that's the important part. It's got 276,000 miles on it. Last time I was here to pay the lady, she started right up after a couple cranks, and from what I understand, it hasn't ran in several months. So we're gonna go ahead and start loading her up here in a minute, and should be a fairly easy load on. No come-alongs this time. Should just fire up, drive her right on. The only reason I guess they're really getting rid of it is the frame's really bad on it. So we'll get more of a in-depth look when we get it back to Mike's place and park it. But right now, we just got to get her all loaded. I'm gonna give her a try. Should fire, man. Keys, black keys right there. Sounds like a rocket ship. Hot rod. And that thing was like rock crawling up on this. Holy smokes, that was a battle.
Like
That-
bit of tires, do you?
That was a badass battle, dude. It's like rock crawling, eh?
It has no, it's like it has no fluid in the automatic transmission.
So it's slipping.
It's all or nothing. It slips and then it bites, so it's through double braking gas trying to balance the whole.
All right, she's all loaded up. Getting ready to take her back to Maryland. It's a funny thing, like I keep saying, I grew up right down there. And I can't believe that this truck was here the whole time. We just got done talking to the owner of the farm, and when I was younger, about 6 years ago, they had an FJ55 sitting out front. And then she also kept on telling me that they had an FJ40. At the very end of the day, she gave us one last little gold on top of the cake.
Pulled out of the trash.
Literally pulled out of the trash of the barn. She was gonna throw them out. So those are FJ40 hubcaps, and we know we're gonna be using those.
There's 5 of them.
There's 5. We got the spare tire one too.